today I will show you how to make an origami bat plane. This plane flies like a bat and flaps its wings. I hope you enjoy the video. Let's start! For this plane, you will need an A4 sheet of paper. First, what we are going to do is fold it in half like this. Make sure to line up the edges properly and crease. Now turn your paper like this and fold this edge to your folded edge like this, and once again line up the edges properly and crease. Same for the other side, turn it around and like this, fold it like this. Okay. What you need to do next is take your paper and you need to make a crease from here to here. So what you will do is fold your paper like that and fold it until it just reaches this corner, and then crease. Then for the other side you don't need to worry, just match it up with the other side like this. Yes. Now take it like this and you need to fold this edge like this. Same for the other side. Now fold it open so that the side where you made the folds is on the bottom. Now take this top corner and fold it to the bottom like this, and all of these layers should show. Now take this edge over here and fold it till the bottom where it's touching this crease like this. And the same for the other side. And now fold this up and turn it around and fold this extra portion down like this. Now fold it in half over here and like this. Now you need to make a very small, not too big, this part, whatever it's called, you have to make that very small. And try to make sure that this edge and this edge line up. Yes. And same for the other side. Like this, and open it back up, and a few like small over here, you put winglets here and here. Now how to fly this plane? You'll put this up like this so it's at an angle, and then just force it down like this, and it will flap its wings and fly. So guys, I hope you'll make this plane in your bat caves, and if you enjoyed the video, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!